I have faith in you, Kyle.
I have myself, but it still doesn't give any guarantees.
That boat's pretty long, man. The bow is gonna come over.
Yeah.
It's windy, huh? Now you made it up here. Too bad we can't catch him out on the water, way out. You know, not. Oh, he's putting on a show for you now. You're not touching bottom, so make. Let's see. Nobody's going.
Well, I'm going.
All right, then let's go.
I'm sure the children are going to go.
Wow.
That guy doesn't want to swim?
Who?
The one in the green shorts.
Guess not.
Doesn't want to get his hair wet like me. Bye. Ah, there you go. Tell me when you're ready and I'll take pictures. That clear like engagement photo. No pressure, Fred.
All right, we're sailing, baby. We went sailing, we went swimming, we almost drowned. How close did we come to a shark attack?
Yeah.
Very close?
I got bumps on my feet to prove it.
We're swimming and all of a sudden she asked me, aren't there sharks out here? And I said, yes, there are. And I said, it's too late now, we're in the water. What? They should.
The only thing is like outcomes are like they're a lot about money.
From the bottom.
Coming down. I could have fallen asleep. I could have fallen asleep. It was so tough. With the towels.
Hold on to something.
Guess where the two kids are staying?
Where?
Alright guys, sail's coming down.
I'm gonna scooch through you. Is that okay?
I almost have HP.
And if I have to, I'll just push the nose back over. Ain't a big deal.
What's going on? Ooh, it's low tide. Here.
Thank you.
One moment, guys. How old are your kids? The four kids.
9, 7, 4.5, and 2.5.
Oh man, that's fun.
Yeah.
Boys and girls next year.
Yeah, 2 boys, 2 girls, 2 redheads, 2
Good,
blondes.
Dad.
One of
That's
each.
awesome.